everybody to the live video today. Welcome everybody. It is March the 27th, you guys. So a lot of people got their refunds today or got their due dates. Today I'll be chatting with you guys to see how everything is going with you guys, and if y'all have any questions and concern regarding your tax refund. I know I've been seeing a good many comments, you guys, on my channel. So if you have any questions, comment, make sure you drop them down. Also, let me know where you're watching from, you guys, as well. You can also put down hashtag refund if you are new, okay, to be entered into the drawing. As you're coming in, I'm gonna be going over some information as people begin to post and comment regarding their refunds, and I'll be answering some of your questions and your comments, okay, you guys. Also, if you're watching, those who have been contacting me by phone, you guys, if you have any questions and comments regarding my YouTube channel with taxes, make sure you post them below the video, you guys. I told you that before, my tax business is separate from the channel. So if anytime you have any questions and comments, make sure you post them on this under the live videos, okay? Also, I want to thank all of you. I have reached 175,000 views on my channel, and getting ready to reach 2,000 subscribers. And I know it's all because of you guys, and I thank all of you for watching, you guys, and also subscribing to the channel as well. Don't forget, you guys, I want to remind you guys, I have a new series coming on my channel after tax season with my family, you guys. That's going to air April the 22nd. For those of you who stay tuned, okay? A new YouTube series. So it's going to air April the 22nd with my family, also on my channel. So I just want you to be aware of that. I'm still going to be doing a new tax refund updates, you guys, so don't worry. All the way to December. Still going to answer your questions, but also you'll be seeing a series as well to be airing on the channel for those of you who don't know. So I just want to let you guys be aware of that, okay? All right. As I am moving on, I'm getting ready to move now to the questions. Also, you guys, I know a good many of you 2 days ago, I asked your transcripts and your did you receive the due date of today. It's like 85% so far is under my community tab on my channel have said no, they have not received a refund or a due date. I remember last week it was up to 100 votes, and like 90% of people told me that they didn't get their refund, because I was like, wow. So again, if you have any questions, comment, drop them down, and I'm finna get to it right now, you guys, okay? All right, let me get into it. And if this video pauses, you guys, stay with me, okay? We've been having a lot of that on this channel, and I come back in. Okay. Still on the first bar. I am she and she is me. Welcome. Still on the first bar since February 1st. Did you go to try the in-person centers? I am she and she is me. Let me know. Did you go to any of the in-person or contact the IRS about your refund or anything? Let me know in the chat, okay? Did you have to verify identity? Did you have any updates regarding your codes on your transcripts? Let me know as well, okay? I'm going to come back to you. I am she and she is me if you have any more comments, okay? Hello, hello. I got mine last week while I was sitting on the toilet. Well, I told you guys, as you are coming in, I said that I was gonna make sure I played that music, you guys, and this also the music is gonna be on the series as well. For those of you who get money, you guys, this is I'm turning it up. Wow, hello, I am. You did get it though. So I'll play that music for a little while for you guys who get your refunds. As promised, I always share the music with you. Okay, I'm gonna be going to some more comments and then I will turn it off. Celebrating hello, because she said she got her money.
Getting money over here.
Okay, then. She got her money. Yeah, we get money over here. Okay, that was about, because I talked about business and finances and taxes and building wealth as well. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off for a minute. Okay, congratulations again. Hello. Okay, I'm just glad you got the money. Okay, let's see. File February 19th, still nothing. No updates yet. I'm not gonna say it because sometimes I be messing up names, and I definitely don't want to mess it up. But you see the name on the screen. Did you get any updates on your transcripts again? Any new thing on your transcript? You guys, I know you read a one bar on the WMR or where's my refund, but did you get any new updates on your transcript, or it's still the same? Hello, Stacy. Welcome back. What's new for today, Stacy? A lot of people have still not received their refund. We know that you received yours, girl, and enjoy it. But a lot of people still have not received theirs, so still giving an update. And I will be, girl, all the way to December of this year. And hopefully by then, people that's on here now eventually will update and get their refund. We're praying, okay? But thank you again, Stacy, for commenting in the chat. Welcome, Jose. Jose says still nothing. I filed January 11 and got a CP 74, but says I don't have to do anything, right? And should get money in 6 weeks. Okay. Well, hopefully, Jose, that it will come for you, okay? Just waiting patiently regarding that money, and you will get it, hopefully, okay? Thank you for coming in. Thank you for watching. Okay. Okay, he says, also, transcript says file status single, but when I check WMR, it says head of household. So which one was it? Was it single or was it head of household? Was it put wrong on that? Jose? Let me know. Okay, no, for real, I did. I believe you, but just so you got your money. Oh, Stacy, Stacy, I'm gonna leave that one. She said it was you can see in the chat. Some of them that don't appear up here is in the chat. Dallas, that all of a sudden, okay, welcome back, Dallas. All of a sudden, still on the first bar since February 1st, and tax transcript still says not applicable and no codes. I called the IRS again, and this week, and they said they wait until April 11th and then call back. So that's good. You stay telling you something to call back at April 11th. Oh, okay. That's good that you reached out to your state senator. Again, you guys, if y'all missed that last video, for those of you who eventually you see no updates and you have filed January the 29th and then on down, and it's getting to the end of tax season, and you see no updates, make sure you do what Dallas just shared that he did. You guys, make sure if you need to, contact your House of Representative or your senator. Either one will do for your state. I shared this on some of the other live videos to help people regarding it, because if you go to their website, complete the online form about the federal assistance, any federal agency, and you complete the form and have all the information that they require you to have, you guys, and keep up with the email and the phone number, and in case they contact you back to help you regarding your tax refund, okay? Because tax season is getting ready to end, and some people last year they still didn't get it until later on after April 15th. So if you need to reach out to your congressman, whether it be the House of Representatives or the senator, either one would do. Thank you for sharing, Dallas, and hopefully you will update soon. And that April 11th, hopefully before, okay? Okay, let's see. Designer Me. Welcome, Designer Me. File accepted February the 6th. Letter was dated February and said could take up real. A lot of people are getting up to 60 days for them to review. Code 570, which is a hold with March 11th date, right? No updates since then. Well, hopefully this week, Designer Me, it was updates for you since you're in that hold, and they told you it's gonna take up to 60 days. So hopefully you'll update soon, okay? From that dated letter or from the whenever time they place you in review. Okay? That's Mr. Kite out. Welcome back. Okay, welcome back. I'm waiting for mine to clear the backlog. I saw today that the IRS has 400,000 returns pending for 2021 and 2022 as of 2 weeks ago. Yes. And they have a lot that goes up. They have 2021, 2022, and then they have amended tax returns that are separate, and then they doing the 2023. So the IRS does have a lot that they have to do already. Okay, Stacy. Huh? What you talking about, Jose? Okay. LOL. Stacy. Okay. Any other comments and questions? Okay, yes, went online for Texas and completed a form on their website, and they emailed me back saying they would send it to their team. If they said it, and they contact you back, they're gonna work on your behalf. It'll take some time, dollars, but they'll get it done. Trust me. Now, it's some people that say that they contact them and they don't hear anything back. So that's good that they email you back saying they will work with you. So just keep checking your emails, because every now and then they'll be emailing you and keeping you updated regarding your when they talk to the IRS on your behalf. So I'm glad for you that you did that. And again, some of you that need the help that are watching and watch the replay, if you need help, I suggest you do what Dallas did already, has done, and reach out to your House of Representative or your state senator. Uh, because again, if you file in January 29th or before, sometime in January, February, and you don't see no change, and it's gonna be the end of tax season on April the 15th, I advise you to definitely reach out to them. Don't wait. If the IRS is not, you know what I'm saying? If you don't do nothing, they're not gonna do anything. That's what people don't understand. If you don't do anything, they're not going to do anything. If they ask you for any information regarding your return in a letter and you don't respond or you don't say I disagree, they're not going to be saying, hey, you need to respond. No, they're not going to do anything. So make sure, if you have been waiting a long time, that you contact the IRS, the taxpayer advocate if you have to, or just like Dallas did, your House of Representative or your senator, state, okay, within your state. Also, you guys, while I'm still waiting, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, I'll be on this channel as well. I know I've risen up to 60 subscribers because this is my smaller channel, you guys. But I'll be putting more information on this channel as well later this week. I will be going live probably Friday on here to discuss those letters. Those review letters that are different ones, you guys, I'll be going over. I know last time I did the CPO5, letter 12C, and the different numbers. It's different. There's a lot of different review letters I'll be going over on that channel, okay, with you guys. So if you subscribe to this channel, make sure you have your notifications on, okay? Make sure you have your notifications on so you know when I go live and upload videos. Also, if you're watching now and you're new to me, If you haven't already subscribed, I advise you to subscribe to the channel because I put new tax refund updates every week, even on this channel, letting you know any new thing about taxes. Okay, I also post about business, finances, and building wealth as well. And I definitely be keeping you guys who have already received your refund regarding the child tax credit and additional child tax credit in case it passes, okay? Because some of you going to be owed some more money. Those of you with children. Okay. Your refund should not expire. If you filed a tax return, you know, even if it's taking a long time for people, they should eventually still get them. And again, if you've been waiting, some people say they still hadn't got their amended refund, and they haven't still received like 2021 and 2022, like you said, refunds from there, amended refunds, and even your stimulus, you guys. It's a lot of people said that they did not receive their stimulus money. If you did not receive it, go to a taxpayer, you guys, to help you get your stimulus money. It ends is it in April or May of 2024 this year? Okay, and then next year they're giving you another year next year to get it in to get stimulus. So if you owe money, you guys continue to keep contacting people until you get your money. Okay? Don't just give up. Hi, Nature Boy. Welcome back. Hi, Miss Likely. I got a letter from my Amended just stating they have adjusted my taxes, but my 2023 is still not applicable on my transcript and first bar. Okay, Nature Boy. Hopefully, again, I know y'all get tired of me saying it, but those of you that are in that cycle, you guys, if you don't update that Tuesday and Wednesday, if you're in a different cycle, but if you are on that 05 cycle, then you have to check them transcripts on Friday again and see if it updates, okay? And at WMR on Saturday, I already know that you guys gonna do it, okay? Hi, Ben Frank. I received my identity verification letter, and when I go to the website to verify my identity, it says that the website is down due to high demand. And when I call, it says that I can't get through. Yes, there's a lot of people trying to do it. Ben, if you can't get through, I will continue to check back on, you know, to try to do it, you know, maybe break from the online and then try to come back to it, and also on the phone. But if you feel like you can't do it, I would check if there's a location near me. But it's so many people, you guys are saying that the locations where those the verified identity in person is booked up for scheduling appointments. So, but if it's not in your area, I would definitely check. If it was a nearby location I could go to. But don't give up, okay? Just keep trying, okay, Ben? Thank you for watching and sharing. Hey, Lisa, welcome back. Hey, Nanda, I've been waiting and CP05 for a year. What can I do? Please help me. Did you listen to when I was talking about what Dallas did? I shared this last two videos about your congressman. Did you reach out to your congressman, your senator, or the House of Representative for your state, Lisa? Did you do that? When you go there, you find, okay, it's house.gov, and I should have the details below in the description of this video, but I'm going to tell you it's house.gov and senator.gov for your state. Okay, everybody's is different. It's based on your state. When you go there, you select your state, okay? Whether it's the House of Representative or the senator, they should be similar. Select either your House of Representative if you go to house.gov. If you go to senators, select your senator for your state. Okay, they should have an online application about federal agencies on there. That's the IRS, one of them. You're going to fill out the form, your name, your email. If they say for IRS, sometimes they have a drop-down box for you to select it. If they don't, there's federal agency. And then you're going to put what you need help with. a message box. Now they're gonna tell you on the website everything that you need that you should have when contacting them. You're gonna have to have all that information for them to know who you are and regarding your IRS tax refund. But all of this, when you do all that, the online form, you submit it, and they should email you or contact you by phone so that they can talk to the IRS on your behalf. Yes, it speeds it up if you have one that will work with you. When they contact IRS on your behalf, you get them permission, they're going to go to work for you, and they're going to find out what's going on. And when they find out what's going on, they're going to email you back, and they're going to tell you exactly what's going on with your tax return and what you need to do. So that's why I advise a lot of you who've been waiting on your amended returns from last year or your refunds for 2020, 2022 to do that. Now, for those of you who've been waiting since January, I advise you, if you don't see anything by this week, I would be definitely calling them, just like Dallas. Don't wait. Reach out to people. Call the IRS. I mean, I know you get tired of calling, but it's your money and you want that money. Make sure you do that. And for those of you who also get that reduced, the 203 refund reduced, reach out to your taxpayer advocate. I had somebody comment that they reached out to the IRS. They gave them a run around. They reached out to their congressman, and the congressman didn't do nothing. And then the taxpayer advocate didn't do nothing. You know what? Keep going. Keep going. That's your money. Don't give up. Yes. Yes, it go there. Any unclaimed goes to the treasury, right? And you have to go to your state. Yeah, the unclaimed money. I'm sorry about that. Yes, but what I thought you were saying, is you still gonna get refunds? Yeah, you gonna still get refunds if you filed out a tax return, and then any other thing that you money, any other checks that you get that you never did get, settlement checks, refund checks, maybe that you supposed to been due money from a health agency. It's always check your unclaimed refunds to the treasury of your state. Yes, you're right, Mr. Kite. Okay. Welcome. Verify my identity last Monday. I hope it don't take 9 oh my goodness, weeks to get it. I hope it don't either for you. They said up to 9 weeks, so it might not take 9 weeks for you, and I'm hoping it doesn't. Okay, you're 05. Yeah, check back Friday, Nature Boy. You're welcome, beautiful. Okay. Yes. Yeah, see, I usually go to the IRS when they update. They usually give on a page on irs.gov, and they let us know how many millions of refunds that they have, but they have not updated it. Probably after tax season, we're going to be seeing it. Yes, millions of amended. Last year kept going up and down because more people were doing it. You think it's coming down from there to million, but it goes up. It goes up and down. You're welcome, Dallas. Yes, good information. That's great. I'm glad it's helping somebody. Let's see. Keep trying, Ben. Y'all be worrying too much. If you just keep on trying to verify identity. If it gets so you cannot, I'm just saying that, not saying that you will not be able to, but you reach out. You keep on, because this is your money. You got to be serious about it. Don't give up. I'll be determined, y'all. I had to go one year, like some of you going through. I had to go through that, through the House of Representatives. to my state senator regarding my money. And you know what? I ain't play about it. I kept on. It was my money, and eventually I got it. And my son, they put him with the CPO5 letter a year ago, and he didn't get his money until June. Yeah, he didn't get his money until June. And what held him up was they did not put a form. It's supposed to have been a form when I filed his taxes, and they had not updated during the beginning of that tax year. And so that form was not in there, and that held him up to June. I eventually, as a taxpayer, realized what was going on with his refund. But I told him, don't give up, and he didn't. And he eventually got his money during last year in June. And he had received that CPO5, and he had filed in February. He had filed in February last year. He didn't get his money until June. So I'm telling you guys, don't, you know what? Don't give up on your money. That's your money. You know, if you, I'm not saying you're not gonna be able to verify no identity and it's gonna disappear, but what I'm saying is you keep getting your money even after April the 15th. No, I ain't giving up on no money. Psyched out, you'll be seeing me a lot. I know, right? It's my money. I mean, a lot of people might not be hard up and say, you know what, I still got money. I got money. I got a good job. You know, I'm not worried. Well, honey, I like to have my money. You know, even though I have money, I want my refund money, and I know a lot of you do too, because it helps to pay bills and you be able to save and do what you want with it, you guys. So again, don't give up on your money. You keep trying, and don't worry yourself to death either about it. You know, be positive about it. I'm gonna get my money, and that's what I be saying when I get upset. I'm gonna get my money. And sometimes I take me a break and I have to wait a while and call back when I calm down, because you know the IRS will make you upset. I know some of the agents will, but you calm down, do something else for a little while, call back, contact back as well. If you have a state senator or a House of Representative that you reached out to them and you see no email and you don't check their spam folders and you don't check your phone, guess what I'm finna do? I don't know what y'all gonna do, but I know what I'm gonna do. If I don't get a response, I'm gonna email them directly to them with the information and my number that I sent. They usually have a file number or anything they give to you. And honey, I'm gonna call them back. What's going on? I hadn't heard anything. Have y'all been doing anything to my return? Or contact them. Don't give up. I don't give up on my money. It's just some real talk that I'm giving you today. Okay. Still the waiting process. Okay. All right. Just don't give up on it. Again, just keep on going. So you get that money until you hit that bank account. My son had about, you guys, give up on his. And he was getting to the point, it was like, that was the longest he had to wait last year. But when it got June and it hit his account, and he didn't even know, and the WMR did not update for him, and he just hit his account, he couldn't believe it. He was at work, and he contacted me and said, Mom, I finally got it. So a lot of you, I pray the same thing. LOLO said she was on the toilet. So no matter where you at, just so it hits your account. You know, hey Taylor, hello. My ads update is March the 25th. Is there a chance I would get an update? Yes, you should. You should this week. Oh, you got that CPO. Most of them who getting the CPO5 letter are telling them, some people are saying that they to wait up to 10 weeks, and some people are saying 60 days. So we're gonna see if you update. Make sure you check your transcript this week to see if you update, because you could possibly file February 3rd, cycle code 05. Yeah, check Friday. Because, yeah, March the 25th. Yeah, definitely. Because usually what they do is they're supposed to complete, when you see that as of March the 25th, they're supposed to finish processing that by that day. But if they don't finish processing that by that day, it should either give you a new date when they're finished processing it, or it should hopefully get approved. And I know you waiting on approved. So hopefully this week it'll update for you. I know that's right. I'm not giving up on my money either. Is it do me? I don't care. I don't care. I don't, just so I get it. But you know what? I'm gonna keep on contacting somebody. And I know y'all said you like you don't play. I sure don't. I sure don't when it comes to my money. I'm gonna keep on doing COVID. I kept calling. I kept emailing. Somebody's got to tell me something what's going on. And I got upset just like a lot of you get upset about your money because you know what do you. But I tell you one thing, I'm not gonna give up. Mm-mm. I love you too, Taylor. Thank you so much for that comment. Yeah, I try to tell y'all the real, you know. A lot of people will not tell you the real, but I'm just giving y'all help. Even though maybe some of you may not be able to verify online because it's going up and down, at least you know where you verify. A lot of people don't know where to verify. They don't know that you can call. They don't know that you can go to the centers. A lot of people don't share that. Yeah, it's all them centers you can go to, and I know a lot of them will say we booked up, but you know me, I'm gonna tell you about me, you guys. They'll tell me and have told me in the past, we don't have any more appointments. Sometimes I get tired enough, I'm finna go up here and see. Can you squeeze me in or something? Because I've been waiting since January to, whatever date. And I need to get some answers. Some of you talk about they say they booked. If it's close enough, I put it like this. I can see if it's way off from where you located, but if it's close enough, I'm walking in there, because somebody might not show up that day, and I'm gonna come in and see what's going on. Right? For them to keep telling me they don't see a reason why it's a hole is beyond me. Right? I want to know what's going on. Why is his head up? I'm gonna ask some questions. Hey, Shannon, welcome back. You don't calm down, Shannon. Last time you were cutting up. Nature Boy, I got an update last week on my 2022 and got a adjustment letter. Hope my 2023 will be released before my amended. I'm praying too. I'm praying it does too. No update, no money. It's gonna be coming. Don't worry about it. I'm again, you, Shannon. You gonna get your money, sir? Okay. You know what? Even after a while, I get so tired. Like some of those people said they done gave up. They come in and say, I done lost hope. I ain't lost no hope. All I know is I'm not going to keep checking. I'm not giving up on my money. If it do me, if it has nothing likely supposed to be on the check, I'm going to get that money. It might take a while. I have to use my patience. And I might have to go and do, get off of it a little bit. Sometimes you got to get off or get your mind, and I don't know why then when you shift your mind or do something else, later on it just happens. It does. All you got is a bag of hopes. That's right. When you got that, you got a lot. Okay? You like I said, sometimes you get so upset and run up your blood pressure. Some people blood pressure get so angry and upset. Don't get so angry and upset you get blood pressure problem and about to stroke out over some money now. I pray you get your money. Don't get up there and say, you got to walk away from it a little while and go outside and then enjoy your day or enjoy some family and pray about the situation and leave it alone. Do what you got to do. Okay? I got off of it, and then I woke up. And then what happened too, I know this was I used to be shit. If I'm waiting on some money, it's like, how long it's gonna take? No, that's how I be, man. I need that money. Then, like you said, Friday, for those with the cycles 05 come in, like you said, you might be patient, but you in your back of your mind, you know that Friday coming. I'm finna check and see. And I know that's what a lot of people do. I'm finna see what this is and what it do. If it gonna change for me. Now, I get it. I can't wait. Be patient, nature boy. He's on his way. Speak positive. Speak positive. Y'all do some daily declarations. I know a lot of people don't, but I was like, you know what? This is the day I'm getting my money. Even if it might not show up, I'm being positive about it. This is the day that my money gonna update for me. Shannon said he dreaming about cold. Shannon, when you stop dreaming and looking for it so hard, I don't know why again. When you calm down and you just relax and you focus your attention on something else or do something else, you'll be surprised. Okay? You're thinking about it too hard. Karan, hopefully Karen, I'm hopefully I'm saying it right. I filed my taxes way in January, still not got my money. Then they sent a letter to verify I did that March 3rd and still waiting. Yeah, it's still March. So it takes up to 9 weeks. I've been sharing on all my videos that it takes up to 9 weeks. When you verify identity, they say they give you this 2 to 3 weeks. They tell you 2 to 3 weeks to check back. Okay. But most of the time for a lot of people, which I'm seeing all these, when I be making sure that y'all let me know, like 90 and 85% people letting me know that they hadn't got their refund. So it's gonna probably most likely, not saying it will for you, hopefully it'll be before the 9 weeks, but it takes up to 9 weeks. Okay. It could be 3 to 4 weeks now. It could be early. Some people update right away. And then it could take up to 9. Might not take the full 9, okay? Well, let me tell you something about Nature Boy, about that WMR and that one bar. Now, I can see that y'all looking at them transcripts, but that WMR don't always update. You can have money in your bank accounts, like I told people. And it's a lot of people had at the beginning of the tax season. They did not have any updates. Any update. And a young lady and more have commented on my channel telling me that they didn't even know that they had money in their bank account. Literally didn't know. And the WMR still be on one bar and you still have money. You can go get, it'll be in your account. You can go back and check WMR and it'll still be on one bar, have your money. I have done it in the past myself. That's how I know, along with some of my clients. So it's possible. Y'all are checking the WMR and sometimes again it hit through that week. So I know you want to see them 2 bars or 3 bars, but sometimes you won't see it. Just so I get my money. I don't have to see now, boy. They get my money. That's what I want. They blocked my Amazon shopping cart because it's been sitting there too long. Oh, you already ready to shop out. you ready to shop up some, Shannon. Well, hopefully you'll get it soon though. Yeah, I know you counting 4 weeks now. Yeah, I'm praying. You hear me talking? I'm sharing some real, you guys. I have been there myself, so you're not alone. Most of y'all, when y'all come in, I tell you, you're not alone on this. You're not, and there's a lot of people are commenting. I'm addressed. Somebody had brought this up on the last video talking about why H&R blocked clients not having this problem? Why Jackson Hewitt people are not having this problem? You guys, I told people, all of the people that come in on my channel are not all of my clients. You guys know this. A lot of you prepare your taxes yourself with TurboTax and different other ones. Tax Act, it's a lot of different ones. Even with the IRS. Everybody is having this problem, you guys, okay? You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that. I'm saying that all the tech software companies that have filed, there's some people that are having this problem. You hear me? That's what I'm trying to say. So you on my channel saying, thinking that H&R Block and Jackson Hewitt, when I have had people under my channel from H&R Block that filed with them and Jackson Hewitt asking me questions regarding their tax refund. So for you who keep commenting under my channel, trying to call yourself picking regarding it, I just, sometimes I'm not going to answer you guys. And some of you who are making rude comments like on the IRS, I'm not going to answer you guys. And a lot of you who are watching and you have been moved from my channel, you be blocked. Sometimes YouTube will block you. If you're putting rude comments and cussing and doing all kind of things, YouTube will remove it. Sometimes I don't even know it and hide it. So be careful what you're putting under my comments on this channel. And for those of you in the comments that watch the replays, be careful of the people offering you different things below the video, trying to get you to do things, okay? Be aware of that. Don't get yourself scammed. I'm just letting y'all know certain things. And for those of you, again, when you get removed from my channel and you wonder why you cannot watch me no more, that's the reason why. Or comment below the videos, that's the reason why. It's community standard on these channels now. And you cannot just say anything to say stuff to be rude to people that's trying to help people. Okay? Okay. Yeah, it's weird this year for some for sure. Right. It's weird for some. Right. But there's no need for people to come under my channel when I'm trying to help other people being rude and are feeling like they're better because they got their refund and y'all didn't. Doing taxes, you see all that. I got mine. I ain't had no problem. I know y'all see it in the groups. Try to act like they better than you, or why H&R Block didn't have no problems, or why Jackson Hewitt, they didn't have no problems. That's what they come into my channel and they're saying rude stuff to me, like I'm the IRS that's responsible for their refund. No. You be removed from YouTube from my channel. And you looking at me and you can't comment and interact on none of my live videos because you're saying stuff to me and I'm not saying anything bad to you. So them trolls will be removed. Find something else to do on somebody else's channel, not even nobody else. Right? Don't play with me, because I don't have time for it. I don't have time for it. I'm trying to help people, and that's all. And I don't have to do it. If you being rude to me, I'd be like, you know what? Life goes on. Right? My life goes on at the end of the day. While you being rude and messy and saying things to me, and I hadn't even did anything to you. Thanks, Shannon. I just got 2 scam calls back to back. Miss Likely, thank my money on. Yes. Yeah, your money on the way. Yeah, they be trying to scam you and say this and try to get y'all to go along with them in the comments and, oh, I'm so bad and this. I'd be like, well, you removed. You're removed. I never noticed them. I'm here for your information to provide good life. Right. I share information. I keep it 100. Big bread gang. You're right. We about making money over here. Getting our money, making money. That's what I'm talking about. That's what we about right there, Shannon, your jail. That's what we about. Everybody should be about this right here. I'm not trying to hate on nobody or argue with anybody. This is what everybody want right now. That's what we want right there. At your house or wherever you at, you want money over there. That's what I'm about. Every people get it. Don't have no time for mess. I'm not a woman, never been a woman that's time for no mess. I don't play. I'm serious about what I do. Now tell people if you want to know what I do, all you gotta do is Google document of life and you'll see all that I do. Okay? And also you can go to LinkedIn and find me on there and you can see all that I have done and still do. Okay? It's better to be on the way about to drive to the White House in a minute. Okay, Shannon. Hey, my jam. Okay, then I'm glad y'all enjoy it. I'm glad y'all enjoy it. Guys, okay? That's what you want. Yeah. That's what we want. So we can go, like you said, go to Amazon. So we can go to Amazon, we can shop. Buy everything we need for our home. Who's playing? I'm not. Don't have time for me. I don't see how people got all that time to mess and hate. I don't have time for it. I always been that way. Like that if you meet me in public, you see all that, ignorance and different stuff to me, I'm not finna entertain you. So you try to get me in mess, some of you try to get me to go along with y'all mess and argue and reply back nonsense. I just look at you. And I keep it moving. All right, Nature Boy, that dropped again. Okay, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Okay, if anybody have any questions or comments, again, I'm gonna be back over here. Well, not on this channel. I'm gonna be on my other channel, talking about the review letters that some of you guys have received. I'm gonna be on here. You guys, on my next video live, it's gonna be here on Friday. I will be on By Grace Tax Services LLC for those of you who want to chat with me alive, and then hopefully I'll be talking with you guys about your transcripts on there as well. If your transcripts are updated, hopefully a lot of you update, and hopefully you get the due dates. And I always tell you guys the 7 days from today that you should get your refund, which is, let me see, is that the 3rd, you guys? April the 3rd, the next drop, the big drop. It could be before then, but for the biggest of people, most people been giving it every Wednesday, you guys. But you could get on a Monday or Friday date. It could be the 1st, the 3rd, or the 5th of April. But most time people get it on that Wednesday. That's what we've been seeing drops on. I used up my 3 WMR views before 7. No, Shannon. You should have just waited. You should have did it in the morning, and if it didn't update, waited to that the evening, and then used it one more time that later in the evening. That's what you should have did. You are so welcome. You have a wonderful day as well as all of you. Again, I did a lot of real talk on here, you guys, today. You got to keep it 100 with people sometimes, because they be trying to say little things because they feel like it's social media and hide behind things, saying little things in comments. So I try to let you know you said things and you get yourself removed from YouTube. You get yourself removed because you got to go by community standards. You should see that down in the chat box. At the top of it, it says you got to comment in the community standards. You cannot just say anything because you want to say it. You will be removed. I told them last year that too. I ate them views up like pancakes. You sure did. You sure did. You didn't waste no time. Okay, again, you guys. I hope y'all have a great day. Well, man, in Alabama, it is absolutely gorgeous today. Sunshine gonna be up to 75 degrees today. So I'm gonna get out and enjoy this day. And I pray that y'all do too. Don't let this stuff stress you out. Try to be patient. I'm gonna say that a lot of people don't like that patient word. Try to be patient and enjoy your day and take your mind off of it. And hopefully you guys, you will update soon. Y'all be blessed.